A general guide to legitimate shopping agent platforms and how buyer protection and coupons work. In this video, I am going to teach you how shopping agent platforms actually work, and how to shop safely and affordably from Chinese wholesale marketplaces like Taobao and 1688. Chinese marketplaces like Taobao and 1688 offer huge selection and factory direct pricing, but they don't accept foreign payment methods, don't ship internationally, and everything is written in Chinese. That's exactly the gap a shopping agent fills. Let's break down how the whole system works. Step 1. Understand what a shopping agent actually does. It's a company based in China that buys products on your behalf, pays the seller using Chinese payment methods like Alipay, inspects the item, and ships it to your country using international couriers. Step 2. Pick an established agent with a real track record. Look for one that's processed a large volume of orders, has actual warehouses, and offers PayPal as a payment option, since PayPal gives you built-in buyer protection if something goes seriously wrong. Step 3. Create your account and paste a product link. Most agents let you copy a link directly from Taobao, Tmall, or 1688, drop it into their search bar, and the platform automatically pulls in the listing details for you. Step 4. Pay for the product cost first. The agent purchases the item from the seller and has it shipped to their warehouse in China, where you can track its status in real time. Step 5. Review your quality control photos. Reputable agents take several photos of your item once it arrives at their warehouse, so you can confirm it matches the listing before it ever leaves the country. Step 6. Consolidate your shipment. If you're ordering multiple items from different sellers, the agent combines everything into a single package, which saves significantly on international shipping costs. Step 7. Check for coupons before you finalize your shipment. Agents regularly run promotions like new user welcome bonuses, shipping discounts, and cashback events. Most agents let you enter a coupon code directly in your wallet section, and it'll show up in your coupon list ready to apply to your order. Here's a pro tip. Start with a small test order of just 2 or 3 inexpensive items before committing to anything larger. This lets you evaluate the agent's reliability, packaging quality, and communication with minimal risk before you trust them with a bigger purchase. So that's how legitimate shopping agent platforms work, from buyer protection to coupon savings. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more shopping and sourcing guides, and let me know in the comments, have you ordered through a shopping agent before?